ZLINE Microwave Model MWO-OTR-H-30-BS Error Codes. Combining precise, high-performance technology with seamless integration, the ZLINE MWO-OTR-H-30-BS over-the-range microwave combines all the things you love into one superior, designer kitchen appliance. Professional innovation of a range hood is seamlessly integrated with the aesthetics and functionality of a convection microwave oven. Heating and functionality are flawlessly unified with Diamond Tech, a diamond interior that scatters microwaves to ensure even cooking without any cold spots. With up to 900 watts of power, humidity sensor cooking, auto defrost and convection cook settings, the over-the-range microwave ensures optimal results for every home-cooked meal. Effortlessly remove the fumes and grease from stovetop cooking with up to 300 CFM, while simultaneously heating up every snack with smart, combination cooking. ZLINE continues to revolutionize the industry by providing our customers with attainable luxury. ZLINE proudly stands by the longevity and durability of their over-the-range microwaves. Error codes. Code 000 is in the display panel. Problem: power cut. Fix: reset the clock.